Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change username on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now you can see profile picture on top left corner. Tap on it. And now go to the setting icon that is located on top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see a list under my account. So let's go to username. Tap on it. And here you can see change username. Tap on change username. Your username can only be changed once a year. So I have already changed in this year. So I'm not able to change my username, but if you haven't changed once a year, then you can just tap on continue and change your username. So this is how you can change your username on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.